Welcome back. My name is Shane Sexton. I'm a cybersecurity instructor. This video is going to be about wireless security. So primarily, wireless security is all about Wi-Fi. That is really the most attacked of the different wireless communication protocols and types out there. There are attacks against Bluetooth and NFC, but Wi-Fi is really the heavy target, right? It's the main target that attackers like to focus on. All kinds of different attacks you might see. Evil twin attacks where you've got an imposter access point, maybe posing as a legitimate one. War driving where someone either maybe drives around the block looking for open Wi-Fi access points or parks in the parking lot to use your Wi-Fi if it's not secured. And then encryption cracking as well can be a major concern because there are various tools out there that make it relatively easy, maybe not speedy, but easy to get the password for a given WPA or WPA2 network and then get access to the network itself. So as far as securing Wi-Fi networks goes, you definitely want to secure the router itself by changing the default credentials. You can choose to not broadcast the SSID, and that might make some people unaware of its existence, but that's not like a silver bullet by any means. And you can also, well, you should absolutely secure the actual Wi-Fi network with a password at a minimum. You can use MAC address filtering, but that is going to require a lot of administrative overhead to keep the MAC addresses up to date so that users can continue to access the network itself. So it might not be the best or the first solution that you go to. So really your first solution is going to be using strong encryption, and that really means WPA2 with or without 802.1x. So 802.1x, that would use Radius and a few other protocols to allow per user authentication to a Wi-Fi network instead of using a global pre-shared key, and that improves security. WPA2 improves security because it's just a relatively secure way of encrypting wireless traffic. And there's even WPA3 on the horizon, so you might want to look into that as it becomes more common. But yeah, absolutely use strong encryption, use a minimum of a password, and preferably some sort of radius-based authentication. And if you can, set up a guest network so that when you have folks come onto your maybe on-prem, you can give them guest access, and that at least allows them to access the internet to do their work. So as far as aiding customers, it's important for us to, well, secure their wireless networks in the same way we might secure their wired networks or their cloud networks. So that could be doing analysis of the wireless systems, scans, maybe automated scans, even manual penetration testing to evaluate the security posture of their wireless systems, and really evaluating the encryption standards in use. Are they using WEP or WPA? Because that's not ideal. Hopefully they're at least using WPA2, and if not, that would be a major win in securing their networks for them. So that's all we got for Wi-Fi. Thank you, as always, and I hope these videos were of use to you.